Installing an M.2 backplane. Replace the putty pad on the processor cold plate. Place the M.2 backplane cold plate on the processor cold plate. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the M.2 backplane cold plate. Replace the putty pads on the processor cold plate and M.2 backplane cold plate. Connect the cable to the M.2 backplane assembly. Install the M.2 backplane assembly into the node. Fasten the 6 screws. Connect the M.2 backplane cable to the system board. Insert the front cross brace. Cross brace locations will vary on different models. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.